Just ahead, we'll meet a Bradford woman who's heading south to show how worms can help feed the hungry, but not like you might think.
Shelby tells us about a local woman who is not only raising worms in her home, but also wants to teach people thousands of kilometers away how worms can improve their lives.
Kathy Nesbitt is known to some as the Worm Lady.
Red Wigglers, the Cadillac of worms. Wee wee.
A fitting name considering Nesbitt and her husband Rick raise more than 50,000 worms in their basement. She's a vermiculture expert who has her own website and gives seminars on how worms like the red wiggler and European nightcrawler can help turn organic waste into fertile soil.
As soon as you add the castings, which is a fancy word for worm poo, into the soil, it starts working right away. It's adding life back into the soil.
This March, Nesbitt will travel to some of the poorest areas in Guatemala as part of a BioEarth organization project to help educate locals about the value of the worm in the food chain.
Set them up with worm composters so that they can create some soil, maybe sell the soil, grow some food for their families.
Nesbitt could take her worms, but the worms in Guatemala are good, although Nesbitt wasn't always good when it came to worms.
You know, I was afraid of worms before starting my business. Once I did research into the magic of the red wigglers, they eat half their weight, live up to 10 years, have 5 hearts each. A group of them's called a squirm.
And as much as Nesbitt's husband Rick would like to go with her to Guatemala, there's a very good reason he can't.
Nope, I'm staying home. Someone's got to look after the worms.
If you'd like to learn more about worms, how they can improve your life, or composting and Kathy's Guatemalan adventure, you can get in contact with her. It's real easy. All you have to do is go to www.kathyscomposters.com. There you go, right there. Or you can also attend her Squirm and Dirt Party February 17th at Hope United Church, Sharon Hope United Church in Sharon. All kinds of prizes and good times, and teach you how you can become more involved with the entire process. And squirming, well, that's what we were doing yesterday when it was so chilly out here. It's not